Now let's look at part B. So what do we observe in part B? Well, I see a single arrow there, so opposite sides are parallel, and a double arrow there, so all opposite sides are parallel to each other. And I also observe the single dash, meaning all four sides are equal in length. So let's write that down. So in part B, we observe that opposite sides are parallel because of the arrows, and we also observe that all sides are equal in length. And that's because of the single dashes. So now we go back to our 6 definitions of quadrilaterals and check off, see which one what property it meets. So for starters, is it a trapezium? Well, no, our shape is not a trapezium because a trapezium only has one pair of opposite sides parallel, whereas we'd have 2 pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So it's not a trapezium. Is it a parallelogram? So it could be, because parallelogram have both pairs of opposite sides parallel, which is what we have. So let's put that back at the back of our minds. It could be a parallelogram. Is it a kite? Well, we're not told any information about the angles inside, so we don't have any information about it. Could it be a rectangle? Well, what's so special about rectangle? It's a parallelogram which all angles are right angles. Again, in our shape, we're not told any information about the corner angles, so we can't justify that it could be a rectangle. So for now, we'll say it's not a rectangle because we don't have enough information. Is it a rhombus? What's so special about a rhombus? It's a parallelogram with all sides equal in length, which is what we have because we agreed before it was a parallelogram because of the opposite sides being parallel. And we saw with the single dash that all sides are equal in length. So it is a rhombus. Could it be a square? We don't know because we're lacking the information about the corner angle. So we can't say it's a square. So the most that we can say is it's a rhombus because of the opposite sides being parallel, and that a rhombus has all sides equal in length. So let's write that down. So back to example 1b. So we observe that opposite sides are parallel and that all sides are equal in length. So opposite sides parallel means that the shape is a parallelogram. In particular, all sides equal in length means that the parallelogram is a rhombus. So because we're lacking information about the corner angles, we're not sure whether it is a square or not. So all we can justify is therefore the shape is a rhombus.